Once you have created the main page, then it's time to do the automation, okay? Because this thing should automatically send the ebook to the person who subscribed. So I'm going to go to this very short video on adding the automation rules. A ton of your YouTubers or people online, they don't put in the automation rules. So it's weird because it will not work. If you are giving away an ebook and it's not going to send them the ebook, and while you're sleeping, you want it to send the ebook while you're sleeping. Yes. Type Y for yes. You want to automate this entire process. You don't want to be, oh, somebody got an ebook for free. I will send it manually. Sure. That's a waste of effort making a funnel that's not automated. So we're going to make sure the automation works. I'm going to make myself smaller again. So you save it and then you exit it. And now take a look at the automation. Before you go to the automation, make sure you are changing the name of the page so you can remember it. So mine is awesome.jhilar.com/ whatever it is this thing is about, is Amazon affiliates. Okay. Or you can just say Amazon. In my case, I just use Amazon. This is the public face. This is a public website address that people will see. So don't make it long. Okay. Now, have you created that? You can now go to the automation rules, right? So let's take a look at that. And it's empty, which means nothing is automated, which is very sad. So just add a rule. At the very least, your very first rule and only rule that should be here, if you like, I can only put in one rule. If you can only put one rule, it should be funnel step subscribe. When somebody has subscribed to the funnel, then do something. That's the trigger, okay? Then you have to click on this. It's not obvious, but you need to click on this part here. Yeah, it's not a button. That's why the problem. And then you need to click on add action, okay? After you click on add action, then you do all these things, which to me is essential. You need to subscribe the person to the campaign we made earlier, right? Remember? Amazon associate affiliates. There. That's the campaign. That's step one. Then you do it again and then you add action again. So you click on here again in case you like run out, which I did. And then you click on add action again. And then you now add a tag, which is Amazon affiliates again. This is a complete version of making a funnel using the software. No? I will now show you the most important part. This is important because it's complete, but this will not automate something yet. What the person who subscribed expecting is send me an email. But I also want to send me an email if somebody has subscribed. So I'm going to send an email to a specific address, and that person's address is, type the word M, mine. I want to create an email that is addressed to me, telling me, hey, you have a new subscriber. Like the old movie, You Got Mail. And this is one of those mail things that you really want to see as it happens. So your inbox reflects the health of your business. No? Your inbox gets, oh, you have a lot of new subscribers. That's great. It means God is faithful. All right. So whatever I put in here, it's fine. Okay. It's fine. Specific address. Okay, here it is. Specific address. And this is the email that I will create for myself. So I just say, you got a new, what's that? A new consistent download. Yeah, whatever. Whatever you say, this is for you anyway. So that's the message I have for myself. New consistent download. The name of the book is consistent something. So I just copy everything here in the personalization and put it there. Again, this email is only for me, which will help me celebrate. So I save it. And now I need to now make the most important email, which I will use to send to the person who subscribes lang. Okay. So the option I'm going to select is send email to contact. This is the one here. Send email to contact there. Once you press that, you will now have the option to create the email. And here is the email. So I'm going to speed this up because you don't need to see that. Okay. The text, I got it from my original list of invitation and benefits. All right. I also am going to use this opportunity to put in my name and then some sort of text about me. Okay. Because if this is the first email the person will receive, I want it to contain a little bit about the human being who sent them the email so they know it's not a robot they're talking to, they're actually talking to a human being. So I'm going to put in some words about me. Hi, this is Jomar Hilario. I've been an affiliate for a long time. I know it can be lucrative and all that stuff. No, I just put some personal stuff here. And then at the bottom, you can now attach the PDF there. So I'll click on PDF and then go get the book and then attach it. And now they save it. And now it will automatically send this message to that human. Got it? So save the rule there. So this one will send this message to the human and then you're done. And that's the automation part. And this is what it looks like at the end, in case you didn't notice. This one must contain 4 automations. But if you need a minimum of automation, this is the 4 automations that must be there. This one is the most important one. The third one, which is sending the ebook to the person. All right. That's the automation. Okay. This is the most important one. This is for you. This is for your future use, the first 2 tags. All right. So that is the value of automation. That's why we're using this software. Even if the software is free, it's possible to do this, at least this very important part here. Now, what software is this? I will show it to you later and also give you a link to this funnel so you can play around with it in your own time. All right. Let's test it. So here's what it looks like. Somebody enters their email address on the cell phone. Very important to test what it looks like on the web. And if you narrow down the website browser, you can see what it looks like on the cell phone as well. So this is what I'm doing. So it looks like this on the cell phone. And I want to see what it looks like. If there's some problem so I can fix it. So you can now try to do a test subscribe, use somebody else's email, and then you can see the thank you page. Jomar, what is that thank you page? I don't have that. Let's now design the thank you page. Oh, no, you don't design the thank you page. We'll make it. Okay, so lang ha. I forgot to show you the thank you page. The thank you page is the last step, and it is really nothing much except thank you for buying or thank you for downloading. That's it. Formality doesn't take long to make. Let's take a look at the video how to make the thank you page right now. Okay. So thank you page is there. Now you have the option to select a design, use a design that is similar to your original page. So I'm picking this one. It's simple. It also has black. So select it. All right. And then click on edit page. Don't bother with this other stuff. Just edit the page. And essentially all I'm going to say is repeat what did they try to get and what are they supposed to do. So you're not going to say, thanks, you're awesome. You're just going to say, what did you just do? Just affirm them what they just did. So I'm going to erase most of the thank you page. On the bottom, there's some social media links. I will click on erase and click on the trash can icon, erase that. If you see any other thing like the copyright, I would also erase that. Okay. And there's a menu up there. I will also erase that. Now I need to change the text. What did they do? They wanted the ebook. So I say, hey, your ebooks is in your inbox. Go get it. Essentially, just want to repeat what they're supposed to do and what they're getting. So please check your inbox. And so check your inbox first, and then I can drag an image here, put the ebook cover here to make sure that I am consistently telling them what they're getting. Consistency is one of the marketing mindsets you need to be able to apply. The bottom message is also check your inbox. The top message is also check your inbox. In the middle, this is what they're going to get in their inbox if they click on the confirm message there. So that's the thank you page. Save it and then exit. that will actually finish your entire funnel. After you've saved that, exited that. And then we can go back to testing what it looks like. All right. So let's check out how to test this one here. So somebody subscribes. So somebody puts their details up here. They receive this. Thank you page there. That's it. It says, hey, go to your inbox, right? So you go to your inbox and then you wait for the inbox for the email to arrive, which should come from your address with Jomar Hilario, stuff like that. That's me, of course. So let's wait for the inbox to accept that email. It's gonna arrive. Ayan. So I'm showing this because my testing that the email did not arrive. Ton, ton, ton. So what do you do if the email did not arrive? For example, "Oh, I've been waiting here for a long time. Why is it not arriving?" The reason for that is because in June 2024, Google and Yahoo changed rules. You now need to set up your email, the one that sends out the messages, to comply to 3 different standards. And if I dug it up, it's inside the system. And when I go to my settings in system and go to email and domains, I hope you see what I mean here. There is something fishy here. It says DMARC required. Do you see that? It also says pending.